Mr. 22, do we do it again another time, another way? 73s from me and mine to you and yours. 243 up here means back up off the key.
Hey, 243, 281, I done started the Watergate, and I'm going to put it on JD Watergate. Hey, 243, 281, started the Watergate break.
Roger that, Mr. 281 on the Watergate, no doubt about it. Well, I will appreciate it if I see it out there in the world of YouTube. 243, State of Maine, we're back on the side.
Well, my name is Henry Gardner on YouTube. Henry Gardner on YouTube, and I will put your name on it. 243, 281, standing by.
Roger that, Texas, no doubt about it. You done stole the show that time around. 243 up here in Maine's waving.
What about right there, 243? Hey, 243, what about 281 right there? Hey, 243, 281, I'm waiting on you. Come on.
EB up here in the pine trees of Maine, loud and proud. I think if you were any louder, you'd be setting these pine trees on fire. What do you say?
Hey, 243, you talking to 281? Or you talking to the big horn? 243, 281, being nosy, break.
Roger that, Mr. Doctor. Down there in Texas. 281, we're talking to the doctor over in Texas. Come on.
Hey, 410, Roger on that. Well, tell my friend I said hello. Hey, 243, tell my friend Mr. Doctor 281 in the BYU Suburban said good morning.
Oh, Mr. 281, the doctor wants to know if you got a problem with me talking to the doctor over in Texas. Come on.
Tell him I don't have a problem. Tell him you not sick. Tell him you ain't shoot nobody, so we don't need a doctor. 243, 281, go.
Oh, shoot, that's a good one there, 281. 281 tells me to tell that doctor we ain't shot anybody, so we don't need a doctor.
But you always need a Suburban to go from place to place. You always gonna need a ride. Hey, 243, we always gonna need a ride. 281, gone.
Oh, you guys got me cracking up.
By 243, I'm gonna leave the doctor alone. Hey, 243, if we sick, we'll call a doctor, but ain't nobody sick. 243, 281, gone.
You guys are both coming into my receive at the same time. It's pretty funny. Yep. Do you know Mr. 281 over there in the bayou, Mr. Doctor?
Hey, he gonna have a hard time right there, 243. Hey, 243, 281 said he gonna have a hard time right there. Hey, 243, I done fired that doctor. Bye. Don't wait on him, 243, 281, gone.
Holy cow. Doctor, you're definitely walking the dog and kicking the cat. I gotta give 281 some respect, too. He's doing the same, but you got him on the audio.
I moved the Mobile just a little bit more. Hey, 243, I moved the Mobile a little bit east, a little bit more. Hey, 243, I should walking down. Bye.
There you go, Mr. 281. You're right up there with him, Mr. Man. I tell you what, loud and proud. And I do believe I got that name on YouTube.
410, Henry Gardner. Hey, 243, Henry Gardner. Bye, 243. If you need me, call me. But we don't need a doctor. Bye.
Roger that, Mr. 281. Always a pleasure on this end, my friend. 243 up here in the sticks of Maine. We're back on the side listening.
And I'm right back with you. Bye.
There's a little bit of a squeal coming in with you, but 243's got you. 714, Mr. 714, we hear you loud and proud up here in the northeast corner. 243 is letting you know.
Hey, 243, 714, about 30 miles from me. Tell my friend 714, 281, say good morning. Friendly fire, 243, 281, back out.
Roger that, Mr. 281. 714, 281 is waving a friendly flag to you. If you still got a copy on 243, we're back on the side. That's a big 10-4, Roger, Mr. President Obama. Good to hear you out there, my friend. 243 up here in the sticks of Maine, waving right back.
He's supposed to be on the golf course. Hey, 243, 281 said, I seen President Obama on the golf course playing golf this morning. What he doing on the radio? 243, 281, gone. He playing golf, 243, 281, gone.
Roger that, Mr. 281. It's getting rough and tough out there. There's some big hammers.
410, all right, I'm going to get out them big boys' way. I'm just a lip boy. Hey, 243, me and my Suburban in the bayou said bye, 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 bye.
Who we got down there in Louisiana waving a hand to 243? We're waving right back. Break out. Mr. KID, we got you in there, Big Star. 243, State of Maine's waving right back. There's a lot of hammers out there trying to get to 243. We must have good conditions coming out of the northeast corner. Got you in there with that 4-bill, no doubt about it. There's a couple stations that are edging right over the top of you, but we still got you 30 dB up here in Maine, 243, let me know.
Tell him he know better not to be on the bowl with a 4-pill. Tell him try a 2-pill. Hey, 243, tell him try a 2-pill and maybe he'll get on top of the rest of the station. Hey, 243, I still got that Watergate rolling. 281, back quiet. You ain't got to wait on them, 243, 281, gone. No pain, no strain. That Bayou Boys blowing smoke up here in Maine. Is he really blowing smoke? Hey, 243, is he really blowing smoke? Or you just making him feel good? By 243, 281, Suburban, go.
That's a big 10-4, Roger. 243, there's a bunch of hammers out there yelling back. You're making the cut. You're definitely up against some big boys. 243 up here in the state of Maine. We're going to take a pause for the cause for a moment. Roger that, Mr. Starchild. I'll tell you what, the BYU is definitely coming through in fine fashion up here in the state of Maine. 243 is telling you we're back on the side.
Hey, 243, when 281 look north, you done put me at 30 dBs. Hey, 243, I'm looking up north, and you got 281 at 30 dBs. Hey, 243, 281 got down.
Roger that, Mr. 281. 30 dB when you look up north, no doubt about it.
There was a big old cluster in there that time. Big old cluster in there. I never heard a 281 peak up in there, and that was about it. Somebody sure in the hell stomped on that hornet's nest. A whole lot of noise on my little radio up here around the state of Maine. Screwdriver, state of Maine, we're that quiet.
Hello, Screwdriver. Hello, Screwdriver. You came in my radio and put about 30 dBs in my Suburban. Hello, Screwdriver, state of Maine, 281 in the BYU.
No doubt about it, 281. No doubt about it, 281 with us Suburban is definitely working. That whole deal got it locked down up here around the state of Maine right now. Mr. 281 sounding real good, man. Your friend, Mr. Screwdriver, up here around the state of Maine, letting you know.
410 Roger on that, Mr. Screwdriver. Hey, like I told 243, I got a Watergate rolling, and I will have it on JD Watergate. Hey, Mr. Screwdriver, 281, right back. Come on.
Breaker.
No doubt about it, 281. I'm definitely part of the page. No doubt about it, 281. I'm definitely part of the page. So I will have to give that a listen a little bit later. No doubt about it, Mr. 281. I'm going to jump on back out of here for a little bit. Super fine rest of the weekend. Screwdriver up here in the state of Maine, and we're that quiet.
Bye, Screwdriver. Hey, Screwdriver, sounding real good, man. Your audio sounding like you in the studio. Take care, Screwdriver. 281, back quiet. Bye, 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 bye.
A little rough and tough out there, Doc Hunter. There are some big hammers down there in the...
Bye, Screwdriver. Screwdriver 281 said bye, bye, bye.
Out of Texas as well. 243 up here in the state of Maine. We're back on the side listening.
Go ahead, Snoop. I'm out the way.
Doctor down there in Texas, you're still blowing my radio off the shelf. Come on.
I told you we don't need a doctor. You ain't shoot nobody. Hey, 243, you did not shoot nobody, so why do we need a doctor? Hey, 243, 281, gone. Bye.
That's a mighty fine point you made there again. Once again there, Mr. 281. We didn't shoot nobody, so we don't need a doctor. Come on.
Well, you ain't shoot nobody yet, but you got that rifle, that high power rifle, aiming down here in the Bayou country, and you're sounding real good. Take care of 243, 281, back quiet. Bye, bye, bye.
Oh, you got all kinds of conditions down there in New Orleans. Come on. I'll tell you what there, bad boy, that radio and that pickup truck is smoking, and I ain't joking. You're making a fine trip up here to the pine trees of Maine, bad boy. 243s, let you know.
Tell bad boy 281 said good morning. Hey, 243, tell my homeboy bad boy 281 said good morning. That's my uncle. 243, 281 said bye, bye, bye.
I tell you what, you're loud and proud. Mr. Q-Tip down there in Texas, 243 is waving a hand.
243, what about 281? Hey, 243, what about 281? Hey, 243, 281, I'm standing by, break.
Oh, Mr. 281, I tell you what, you're walking the dog, kicking the cat down, Mr. Man. You're still loud and proud up this way. 243 is letting that 281 know.
410, Roger on that. All right, 243, I still got this Watergate rolling. I had to lock you in. Hey, 243, I think I got you locked in. Bye.
I would have to agree with you, Mr. 281. You got that Suburban pointed due northeast. 243 up here in the pine trees of Maine is letting you know.
410, I'm back quiet. Bye.
Mr. 281, I think 243 is putting a little weight on Q-Tip's receive as well. 243 up here in Maine. We're waving at that 281. Come on.
Hey, this 281 right here. Hey, 243, this 281 in the Suburban. Hey, 243, this 281 in the Suburban. Now break.
No doubt about it. Well, that Suburban's smoking. Mr. 281, you're sounding loud and proud, my friend.
Hey, you doing the same thing, 243. I love your audio, big brother. Take care, 243, 281, back quiet.
That's a big 10-4 Roger from Mr. 281 to 243. We're back on the side. Tell you what, that 281, he's definitely got that ball down. But you're doing about the same right about now, KID 243, he's letting you know.
He a real good friend of mine. Hey, 243, 281 said KID is a real good friend of mine. Can you tell him I said good morning? 243, 281, back quiet, bye.
I'll definitely pass that friendly 5 along, no doubt about it. How about it, KID? You still out there, KID? Mr. 243's got to pass a friendly 5 to you from 281. Mr. 281's waving that friendly good morning wave. KID 243 is back up off the key. 10-4 Roger. He's waving right back to you, KID, no doubt about it. I don't know if you still got a copy on 243, but we did pass that friendly nickel for you.
All right there, 243, I heard you. I'm just sitting back reading the mail. Hey, 243, I'm just sitting back reading the mail. Hey, 243, if you need me, call me. Hey, 243, if you don't hear me, that means I did not keep. 243, 281 said bye.
No doubt about it. 243 is sitting back up, reading the mail as well.
Bye.
We got you down there in that mobile, no doubt about it. 243 is waving a hand at you.
to hear the film, but you having a problem hearing the film. I know you want to hear the film, but you having a problem hearing the film. Hello to you, worldwide Q-tip for real.
Yeah, I think old Mother Nature's dropping off a little bit there. Old Mother Nature's shutting the door. T43, CD, we're up here listening.
Hey, you still have Mother Nature in the BYU. Hey, 243, you still got around 15 S units and 281 Suburban. Hey, 243, 281, thought you need to know. Bye.
About it, 243. 243 Snoopdog in the Bayou. The ride's on 243 Snoopdog in the Bayou. Get down.
I'm going to be quiet for about an hour, Snoop. I'm sitting back. I got the gate rolling on you. Hey, Snoop, it's your turn. I'm out.
I just came back by the radio, man. I didn't know where that dude was coming out of. All right.
Hey, he coming out of Maine. Hey, Snoop, the northeast corner, Maine, 410?
10-4.
All right, I'm back quiet. I got the gate rolling. Do your thing. I'ma mute the water gate until DX come back in. That came out the state of Maine.
Go around Rhode Island, Snoopdog in the swamps. Hello around Rhode Island, Snoopdog in the Bayou warming up, brother. No damn conditions out here. Oh, Snoopdog, by you go.
It's jumping in and out like a jumping jack, Snoop. But I heard the real black man out the northeast corner too is jumping in and out. I'm back quiet. I got my mobile looking northeast there, Roger.
Yeah, I'm looking up. I can hear them, man, but they all jumbled up at about 3 pounds, man, and ain't nobody really came up. Right when I came in, I heard that dude 243. He was up there around 8 pounds, and that was it.
Yeah, 243 and another guy out of Maine. Let me stop this gate while we talking. I'ma mute it.
A real black man, Snoopdog in the Bayou country, checking Mother Nature, breaker. Hello, Snoopdog. Hello, Snoopdog 205 in Indiana. Snoopdog 205 in Indiana. I'm waving, break. What's going on, my brother? Hold on, man. Let me bring my antenna over there. What's going on? Snoopdog right back, breaker. How about it, Snoopdog? 205, Snoopdog, right back. No rides on 205, Snoopdog got down.
That's crazy, huh, bro?
Yeah, man, I just heard a dude out of Northern Ireland. I don't know if I'm hearing right. Sound like you said Northern Ireland or Northern Ireland.
I heard him too.
Yeah, who's that around Northern Ireland? Snoopdog said, who that is around Northern Ireland? Snoopdog in the Bayou country. 109. Man, I can't hear. It sounds like you say 137, man. Hello to you, if that's what you're saying. It's rough in my radio. Hello around Ireland. Snoopdog in the Bayou, breaker. Hey, what's going on, Mr. 500? Hello to you, man. Hello right back, 500. Snoopdog out here around Louisiana on the Gulf of Mexico. Come on. Yeah, Terry, where you coming out of, man? Hey, where are you talking out of? I'm not sure. I can't hear you. Every now and then somebody will key on you. Where you talking out of there, Break?
Canada, Canada, Canada.
I'm here from Northern Ireland.
Canada, Canada.
Simple. Yeah, tell right at 500 in Nova Scotia. I heard you, man. There's another guy keeps saying Ireland. He's saying he's in Ireland. He's kind of plugging my ears a little bit. But I appreciate it, my friend. Sounded real good coming out of Nova Scotia. Snoop Dogg out here in Louisiana reading the mail. Yeah, thanks, 109, just south of Belfast, east side, Northern Ireland. Yeah, hello around Northern Ireland, man. I hear you, my friend. Sounding real good in Louisiana. Hello around Northern Ireland. Snoop Dogg in Louisiana, right back.
109.
Dog's been very, very well over here, too. +20 back to Northern Ireland. Thanks, Snoop Dogg. Wow, man, you make me feel like I sound like I'm doing something, man. Hey, right back to you. You say +20. I got about 9 times. I got a Cobra radio, so you got about 9 pounds on me right now. Hello around Northern Ireland. Snoop Dogg right back. Yeah, okay, many thanks. No, kind of I'm not making too busy in this side, for your side, so thank you. Have a good day, your side. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate it. Sounded real good, man. I'm out here around Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I'm out here around Baton Rouge, Louisiana. 10-4. Yeah, Baton Rouge. The strongest one coming in here at the moment. Thank you. Have a good day, your side. All right, my friend. You have a good one. I think you said 109. We'll try to put that one in our notebook. Have a good day, my friend. Snoop Dogg getting down. Hey, who's that around Southern New England? Wait a minute, man. I gotta turn my antenna. Who's that around Southern New England? Break. I think you said 387. I'm not sure, man. There's a lot of traffic on the radio. Hello, right back to you. Be Snoop Dogg out here around Louisiana. Shetland Islands back up. Well, I guess no. But anyway, I've been up around there before 281.
Hey, which way is that? I'm looking east. Which way is that? I got you on gate. I got you on gate.
Yeah, that's over there, a little bit in the northeast, but it's not 45 degrees. It's probably about, I want to say about 60, 65 degrees. Am I saying that right? Yeah, something like that.
410, I'm going to slide over a little bit. But I got it on Watergate. I got you on Watergate talking to him.
Yeah, right. Yeah, that's my first time, bro. I ain't never talk over there.
Yeah, I still got the gate rolling. Hey, do your deal, big brother. I'm sitting back reading the mail. I got the gate rolling for you. 410?
All right, man. We'll catch you later.
4 Roger.
This is Snoopdogg out here in Louisiana trying to wave at you, man, around Northern Ireland. Alpha Tango 121. Snoopdogg in Louisiana. Break, break. I can't get him 281.
Let me try. Hello, 121. Hey, 121, 281 in the BYU. Hello, 121, 281 in the BYU, standing by. I'm gonna try it one more time. I hear you out there. I hear you way out there, but I can't understand what you're saying. 281, 281 in the BYU, 281 Louisiana, 281 Louisiana, standing by. Come on.
Snoopdogg in Louisiana. Hello, 121 around Northern Ireland. Snoopdogg out here in Louisiana. Yeah, they call me Snoopdogg. They call me Snoopdogg out here in Louisiana. Hello, around Northern Ireland. Snoopdogg in Louisiana. Break, break. I can hear dudes everywhere in the United States calling that dude.
410 Roger on that. Hey, I'm moving my mobile. He coming in and out. And when I move, you know, I gotta stop right there. Then he disappear.
That's crazy, man.
Yeah, that's wild, bro.
Yeah, 73 is right back to you, my friend. I appreciate it, man. We're really enjoying the opportunity to talk with you over there, man. I've been talking on the radio for a long time. time, and this is my first time ever talking over to Ireland, no doubt about it. Take care, Mr. 121, sounding real good in Louisiana. Snoopdog out here on the bottom side, top side of the Gulf of Mexico. Have a good day. Take care, my friend. I thank you very much for your time, and we're going to ease back, man. I think I deserve another cup of coffee. Hey, 121, I think I deserve one more cup of coffee. Snoopdog getting down. You heard that? Somebody said you need to go get you a beer. Somebody out there said you need to go get you a beer.
I ain't him, Snoop. I'm sitting here turning my mobile from east to northeast, trying to lock him in there, Roger.
Yeah, it was one of them guys up there, man. I couldn't hear him that good.
410 shucks. Make me wish I want to put a flat side back on this cotton picker there, Roger.
Yeah, 10-4 on that. Hey, yeah, man, well, listen, bro. I've been on the flat for a while. This is my first time ever hearing something like that.
410. I was hearing him, bro. Let me stop this gate. Hold on.